For this chapter, just keep a step, right? Step by step, follow it, right? So it will be easy for you. Okay. Okay, which questions we did? Obviously not perfect square. Okay, this was finished. Now we are going to start a new concept today. Okay. Anyone of you has any idea how would we do this? So tell me, others I'll tell you. This one. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. And the second question is express what 21 as the sum of 11 odd numbers.
Like we add seven times, we get 14.
Okay. So sorry students. Okay. So over here you have to express that as a sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay. So in this case, any idea how would you do it?
We have to
We add seven times.
Yes, correct. Ibrahim was correct. Okay. But the thing is that how you got to know that you have to only do 7, not 1 or any other number? Tell me.
Because
It says 7 odd numbers. 49 is the square of 7.
Okay. So remember one thing, students. Usually what happen in the question, students forget about this concept and they start writing it like this. 1 plus 3 plus like this. Okay. So see, 49. So whenever they ask you odd numbers, right? So 49 is a square of?
odd number.
Tell me. Tell me 49 is a square of?
7.
7. Right? So express 49 as a this of 7. So 7 numbers you have to write. Clear? How would you write it? First 7 numbers, do you know what are the odd numbers? Yes or
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
Clear. So I hope everybody got it. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it first 7 odd numbers. Or anyone has any doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Okay. So everybody know what are odd numbers? Anyone who don't know what are odd numbers? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who don't know that what are odd numbers? Everybody knows odd numbers, right? Yes. So over here, for example, sum of 7 odd numbers. So you will add it 1 plus 3 plus whatever number comes. Clear? After this, you have to keep on doing it till 7. You get 7 odd numbers. Okay, do it.
Ma'am, we'll add the odd numbers up to 7. Like 1 plus 3 plus 5.
1 plus 3, then 5, then after 5, 7, then 9, then 11. Yes or no? Then 13. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear?
So,
Yes?
we have to add
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No need to add it. Okay? Because we already know. Because it's a square of 7, 49. So we already know. If you will add all this, you will automatically get 49. So you don't need to add it again. You have to only write
This is
this
the
as
answer.
it. Okay? Answer is already with you because 7 square is 49. In case I would have written 8 here and here 49, then this wrong. Okay? If I would have written 8 odd number, what would I have written here? Tell me. The sum of 8. See, over here they have expressed you this. But students, in case I would have given you this question. Sum of 6 odd number will be. Tell me. Who will tell me the answer? Sum of 6 odd number would be
3 plus 3.
36.
76. Tell me the first odd numbers. 1, then 3, then
Ma'am, 36.
5, then
36.
5, 7,
uh,
9,
uh,
11,
yeah, you got it. Now add it. 4, 9, 9, 9, 18. Yes. 18 and 18 is 36. You got 36 here. So what is the sum of 6 odd number? 36, ma'am. But instead of doing this, you will just do the square of 6. You get 36. Getting my point what I'm saying, students?
Yes.
So in
Yes,
case,
ma'am.
usually they give a question like this only. That, for example, sum of 12 odd number would be. Okay. So 12 odd number. Now what students basically start doing? They do it like this. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. They
Ma'am,
write it and
144.
then they calculate it. So this is not the right way to do it. Right? It's simply 12 square. Clear?
140.
Everybody got it? So in case they ask you the
Ma'am.
question like this. Now there is a difference. Of course, there is a difference between the question. For example, in case I ask you sum of 4 odd number is, okay, or the other question I ask you, express sum of 4 odd number is, okay. So in case if I ask you the answer, that sum of 4 odd number is what? What you will write? 4 square, ma'am, 6. Done? In case if I ask you to express it, then you need to write it like this. 1 plus 3 plus. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am.
So if I only ask you the answer, what is the sum of 4 odd number or what is the sum of 6 odd number? No need to do this. Only square it up, you get the answer. But in case if I ask you to express in the sum, then you will do it like this. Clear?
Ma'am, like if the sum of uh, 4
Huh?
4 even number, what will you do?
No, that's not even number. It's only odd number. That's why I'm mentioning
Okay.
it again and again. Odd number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine with everyone? Anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No?
ma'am.
Okay. So I think I lost that. I lost that question. Okay. I think I started. Yeah. Which question we were doing? Yeah. This one. No? Huh. Everybody start doing this. I already did the first one for you people. In this question, they ask you to express. Right? That's why you are writing it like this. First one. Now you people will do the second one. Okay? Everybody got it? Ibrahim, LF, Ibrahim Jamal, Aisha, Rida, Vega, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
who will get it, let me know right now.
Ma'am, we want to express it.
Sorry? Here you have to express. So you will write it like this. 1 plus 3 plus.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, let's just wait for others.
Done.
Finish, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody. Okay, so who will tell me this? Aisha,
Ma'am,
you tell. Okay, no. This time Aisha. Next time Rida, you. Okay? Huh. Aisha, tell me.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 is equal to 121.
Okay, so everybody got this? Anyone who got something different? No, I guess.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, great. Okay, so now I'll give you the another question. You people are smart enough now. Okay.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
You are?
We want to write the question.
You already wrote the first one. I already mentioned here.
No, the question.
Yeah, I'll write the question.
No, ma'am. We
Huh?
want to write the question. Do we want to write the question?
No, no need to write the question. Only write the parts.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one, you people will use your brain. Okay, okay. Wait. Before that, I'll give you one more question. Don't do this, students. Before that, I'll give you one question. Let's see. I'll not tell anything what this question stands for. Okay, you will do it on your own. All your efforts. Hmm. You don't have to add it. You have to only find the sum. Clear? Don't be smart and start adding 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Okay? Use your brain. I already taught you this.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do this one. So can you explain the first one so that I can do the
Which
next one?
concept I taught you right away?
This class, ma'am.
Huh?
This class.
Tell me the concept name.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Who was getting confused?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim Jamal?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Ibrahim, I taught you that whenever you get odd number, you don't need to add it. What you do?
Square number.
You
Square
count the
number.
number and the square of that, right?
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number you have. So 5 square would be
25.
25. So instead of adding it, you people got this.
Ma'am, what is the, like, How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? The one
Yeah,
that
that
is.
I will do. That I will teach you. Don't worry. I'll teach you.
Done, ma'am.
I done. I finished that.
Okay, everybody finished and anyone who's still doing?
I'm doing that.
Okay, I'll wait.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's still doing?
Ma'am, I don't.
Okay, I'll wait for 1 more minute in case you are doing it. But I don't think anyone would be doing. Okay. How many number lies between square of the, sorry. So first one I already did. Second one, Ibrahim Martin, you tell me. Yes. Huh? Ibrahim Martin,
100, ma'am.
Huh?
100. 100.
Yes, 100. Sorry. Yes. So 10 square is 100. Yes, everybody or anyone who got something else? Next one,
Ma'am, I
Rida,
got.
you tell me. Anyone who got something else?
Ma'am, I got 100.
Yes. Rida, you tell me this. Third one.
144.
144. Everybody? 12 square?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this concept is also very important and very easy. Just remember this line which I am writing here. Okay? Whenever there is something, the number that lies between this, then it would be this statement. There lies two n number between. This B/W is between. Okay? Between the square of number n and n plus 1. So, in case if I ask you, how many number lies between these? So, if one is n and another one is n plus 1, then there lies the 2n number. Everybody quickly write down the statement. Quickly. Then I will solve the question. Okay, just write it and read it 2 times.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Yeah, just read it. Read this statement. Keep on reading it loudly in your mind. I'll explain it. Don't worry. I know you'll not get it. Just translate this in your language, whatever language you understand. Okay, and then try you are getting it or not.
Ma'am, what is B or W?
Where? This? BW, this is
Yes.
between students. This is between.
Okay. Ma'am, like there lies 2n number between the square like of only the number of n and n plus 1.
Yes, yes. If they don't
Then
satisfy this, then no. Okay?
then in the question there is 12 and 13.
Yes, there should be n and n plus 1. If they are not satisfying this, then this line or this statement or this property is not applicable. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, everybody has written and everybody has read it two times. So we'll just start with Ibrahim. Ibrahim, read it. What is written?
There lies 2n number.
There lies two.
Okay, Ibrahim Martin. Sorry.
There lies 2n number between the square of set W.
This is number, square of number.
The square of number n and
Ibrahim Jamal, you read it.
There lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1.
Okay, LF, you read it.
There lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1.
Okay, Vega.
There lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1.
Good, Shrida.
There lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1.
Okay, Aisha.
There lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1.
Yes. So if I ask you how many number lies between square of the following number. So first you will check whether this is satisfying this or not. That means if any number is n, the other number should be n plus 1. For example, you got 3. If I ask you what number lies between 3 and 4. So if 3 is n, so 3 plus 1 is giving you 4 or not? So they are satisfying this.
Yes.
Now we'll see how n and n plus 1 work. Okay, n and n plus 1. So for example, n is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is n and n plus 1. But in case if I ask you how many numbers lies between the square of 5 and 7. Okay, so we will check whether this is n and n plus 1 or not. So n is 5. So n plus 1 would be 5 plus 1, 6. But here what is this? Here what is this? 7. So is this the pair of n and n plus 1?
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Okay. So n and n plus 1 basically means, do you people know consecutive numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody knows consecutive numbers? That
No,
consecutive numbers are those numbers that comes one after another. That comes one after another. Okay, there should not be any number in between. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are coming one after another. So they are consecutive number. But in case if I write it like this, 6, 8, 10 like this. These are not consecutive number because they are not coming one after another. Right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here consecutive number means if any number is n, if you will add 1 to it, that should be the another number. So for here 2 was n. If you will add 1 to 2, you will get 3. If you will add 1 to 3, you will get 4. If you will add 4 plus 1, you will get 5. But in this scenario, if you will add 6 plus 1, you are getting 8 or not? No, ma'am, I'm not getting. So they are non-consecutive. Clear, everybody? So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this scenario, first of all, you need to check whether these numbers 12 and 13, they are consecutive or not? Like they are coming one after another or not? Okay. So for this, we will check it. Okay. So 12 and 13. 12 and 13. So yes, ma'am, 12. And if you will add 1 to 12, you will get 13. So yes, ma'am, they are this number, n and n plus 1. This is n. And if you will add 1 to it, you will get 13. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, LF?
Ma'am,
LF, Vega, Rida, Aisha, you people got it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, got it.
ma'am,
Yes.
uh,
LF, you are
can you
confused?
explain?
Yeah, I'm just saying n is any number. You have to add one more number to get the another number. In case one side it is 12 and 13, the other side it is 12 and 15. Okay. So 12 is n, and if you will add 1 to it, you will get 13 or not? Ma'am? Just a minute. Ma'am? Okay, so sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, am I audible now? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so over here n is 12, and if you will add 1 to 12, you will get 13. But in this scenario, if n is 12, if you will add 1 to 12, are you getting 15? Tell me, LF, are you getting 15 here? If you will add 1 to 12,
No.
are you getting 15? LF, LF say yes or no?
Ma'am, we get 13. No.
Yes, so you are not getting 15. Just say, ma'am, no, ma'am, we will not get 15. So that means this property is not applicable here. Right? Okay. So whatever number you get, you will add 1 to it. If you get the next number, this property is applicable here. But in case no, then not. Okay. So now the first question over here with us is 12 and 13. So let's just say n is 12. Okay. And n plus 1 means 12 plus 1, you get 13. So 12 and 13. Yes, ma'am, this property is applicable. So if it is 12 and 12 plus 1, then how many number lies in between? 2n. So what is your n? 12. So 2n would be 2 multiplied by 12. You got 24. So that means 24 number lies between 12 and 13. Clear? Students, is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Who didn't get it? Everybody didn't get it?
Ma'am,
Or
can you
anyone got it?
explain?
Mom, I got it.
Okay, others?
Ma'am, I also
Ma'am,
got it.
See,
I got it.
okay. Those who didn't get it, 12 and 13, they are n and n plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what I said over here, there lies two n numbers. N can be any number. So in this scenario, n is 12. So 2n would be 2 multiplied by n. So 2 multiplied by 12, which is 24. So that's why 24 number lies between 12 and 13. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes? In every question, you have to find n. So in this question, 25 and 26, who is n?
25.
25. And n plus 1 is 25 plus 1 is 26. So that means how many number would be lying here? 2n. 2 multiply what is n? 25. Whatever answer comes, that means that number lies between the square of 25 and 26.
But why 2?
It's the statement, it's a property. 2n only. Okay, that's why I asked you to write the statement that there lies 2n number between the square of number n and n plus 1. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
So this is the statement that you have to learn, that in case if they are one after another number like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then there will be 2n number lies between them. Okay? So you people will write it down, this one, the first part, then the second and third you people will do it.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody finished and anyone who is still writing? LF?
Yes, ma'am. I am free. I finished.
Okay, LF, Aisha, Naisha, Ibrahim Jamal, Ibrahim Martin, Rida Vega. Everybody got this concept? Still, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
haven't got it, let me know, please. I'll explain it again. I hope everybody got it, right? Yes?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, start doing the second and third part. Second and third part. Do both this and then we'll discuss the answer.
done, ma'am.
I thought of scaring you. I thought when you hide there and come here.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finish? Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Aisha, you tell me the second one.
50.
Good. 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. LF, you tell me this third one.
Ma'am, 198.
Yes. Everybody 99 multiplied by 2, 198. Fine with everybody? Anyone has any doubt in this? I hope no.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, thank God. Okay. Now we will start one question where you have to find the square. Okay. So how do we find the square, students, basically? What is the method to find square?
That number into say that same.
Yes, this is what we have to do. But now I will teach you without calculation or without direct multiplying. You have to find it. Clear? So you have to find the square, okay, without actual multiplication. I just only wrote without it. Without actual multiplication. What is the concept? Without actual multiplication. Got it? So that means if I'm asking you to find the square of any number, right? For example, 23. Find the square of 23 and in bracket I have written without actual multiplication. Then that means if you will do it like this and your answer is correct, but you will get 0. Got it?
Okay.
Yes? Because here I am writing without actual calculation, multiplication, and you are multiplying it. So that's why you will get 0. Okay?
Ma'am, then how we have
Yes.
to
I'm
like
coming to it. I'm coming to it. Okay. Before that, you people have to write two formulas. Okay? A plus B whole square, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. And the second is A minus B whole square, which is,
ma'am, I know that.
do you know that? But still you will write. Okay? So everybody write it down in the notebook. Okay, then we'll start with the concept.
Ma'am, only two.
Yes, only these two identity.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is so tough for me.
This chapter, huh? Or this concept?
Ma'am, this concept, like this.
Wait a minute. If I'll teach you, then once I teach you, then tell me whether it is tough or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll teach you in the simpler way. Don't worry. Okay, everybody written?
Yes.
Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds. Quickly do it.
Ma'am, in my school, is teaching linear pair. In linear pair, there is this equation, same equation,
We will come to that as well. Don't worry. So
but it has
I'll train
two
you
more.
from here itself.
But it has two more.
Yeah, but this is a square and square root. That's why I've written only two identities. In that, of course, I'll give you 4 or 5 identities. Don't worry. But I will
Don't,
train you from here.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that you over there also you can perform well. Okay, I hope everybody has written. Yes.
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
erase this? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now this 23, first of all, I will break it. Okay, first thing is that I'll break it. Can I write it like this? 20
Yes,
plus 3, can I write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. Now, you have to match it with the identity. A plus B whole square. Do the same look like this somewhere?
yes,
AB
ma'am.
square, right? So it is
Yes,
A
ma'am.
square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now, first of all, in this is already given. That means you have to make this part, right? Yes or no? This is already given,
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
In the question. They are same. You have to make this. Okay. So first of all, you will write what is the value of A
20.
and this
20.
is B, right?
Eight.
So A is 20 and B is
3.
3. Now
Mm.
you will put it here. Put the value. A square, that means 20 square, plus 2. A is 20, B is 3, plus 3 square. Yes?
Ma'am, B is 3, right?
Yes, I wrote 3 square.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can write like 2 bracket 20 plus 3 bracket
Yes.
close.
You can write it like this as well. 20 square plus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3 like this as well.
No, ma'am. I am telling that distributive property like that.
No, no, no. Don't use distributive property here.
Okay, ma'am.
Distributive property where we use? It
Right.
said 2, 3 plus 2. In this case, we use distributive property. But where is this? They all are in multiplication.
Ma'am,
Okay?
in that way we have like we yes, ma'am. Now I
They
get
all
it.
are in multiplication. We use distributive property if inside people are in addition or subtraction. Then this 2 would be multiplied to 3, then plus, then 2 multiplied by 2. Yes,
Yes.
because there is a
Now
plus
I understand.
between this. But in there is no plus now. So that's why they all are in multiplication. Okay. So
Okay.
first you will write this identity. You will find what is A, what is B. You will just put the values. Okay. Then 20 square would be 400
Four.
and 2 to 4. This after multiplying all this you will get 60, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 3 square is 9. So after adding this you got 529. Simple or not? LF, now you tell me.
Simple, ma'am.
Simple na? Everybody? Any comments?
Uh,
Hmm?
no, ma'am.
I'm repeating myself. Okay? So that anyone who didn't get it, they'll let you know. So whenever the question comes, you have to find the square but without the actual multiplication. First step, break it and find A and B. Just remember this identity. Okay, and put the value. First step, break it. Second step, formula, write the formula and put the value. And I think calculation everybody knows now how to do this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt, still you can ask. Don't feel like others are saying yes, so you should also say yes. You are different and you should know your value.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
like question says there is do not do calculation, right?
No, they say do not do actual multiplication. That multiply 23 with 23 and get an answer. Not calculation,
Okay.
multiplication. Actual multiplication means 23 multiplied by 23, wrote the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to do it this. So everybody will quickly write it down and put the heading. Finding square without actual multiplication. Copy it up. Then I'll give you one question quickly.
I'm done.
Okay, I hope everybody has finished.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, you have doubt. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, how did we get 60 there?
Oh, sorry, wait. Yeah, 120 will be getting, sorry. Yes, very good, Ibrahim. I just missed this two. The 60 multiplied by 60 would give you 120. Okay. Everybody finished now?
No, ma'am.
Quickly, I just want to give one question so that you people can solve it. Quickly. LF is writing or who is writing?
How? I don't know. He was cutting the oranges. No.
Okay. LF done?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now everybody, you will find the 42. Square of
Okay.
42, find the square of 42 without actual calculation. Quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody finished? Should we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So how would we break? Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Huh?